the long short was not performing well at all. We were down, I think, 2 or 3%, which is not a killer, obviously, but it's not great either.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, we launched a dedicated activist product.
Okay.
So I was lucky enough that I was one of 2 analysts in that firm focused on long short, but the only analyst focused on shareholder activism.
Tell me what is, for the listeners that don't know what shareholder activism means, tell me, like, can you give me a quick summary of what that means? Like, what is a hedge fund trying to do when they're...
So basically when you are an active shareholder, you take a stake in a company, be it, usually you go for a significant stake, or at least so that you appear in a shareholder register if you don't have as much money.
Mm-hmm.
And then you literally push for change in the company because you believe that there's value to be unlocked.